Are all viruses the same? Let us step back for a bit. What is a virus? A virus is an extremely small infectious agent. It infects all types of life forms, from animals to plants, and even other microbes like bacteria. On their own, they do not have the ability to replicate and can only replicate inside living cells of an organism. For this, they rely on the complex machinery of the host cell. To top it off, they often cause a disease in their host organism, which facilitates the replication process. Have you watched the video about the similarity between a coronavirus and a thief? That video will give you a basic background knowledge about viruses. So back to our main question. Are all viruses the same? No, they're not. There are different types of viruses. They are different in size, shape, and the kinds of cells they attack. Each type of virus would look for a particular type of cell to attack. Think about the jigsaw puzzles. Are you able to fit any piece anywhere? Of course not. The specific, unique shape of each piece will allow it to fit in one particular spot only. Similarly, viruses are of unique types. Each unique type of virus attacks a particular type of cell. For example, HIV infects the T cells, destroying a human being's immune system. SARS-1 infects lung cells, causing severe respiratory problems. The novel coronavirus initially attacks the throat cells. How do the viruses choose which type of cell to attack? Remember the analogy about a thief looking for a house which he could gain access to with his key? It's very similar. The coronavirus has a spike protein which attaches to a cell which has the protein ACE2. The spike protein works like a key to open the door to the cell. It fits in perfectly like a jigsaw piece. So the HIV cannot attach to a cell with the ACE2 protein. It will only fit correctly with a T cell. Once attached, it initiates the process which eventually leads to infiltrating the cell. The virus then uses the protein-making capability of the cell and replicates itself rapidly. The host cell is eventually destroyed. The replicated viruses will look for similar cells and attach themselves, accelerating the organ destruction process. I hope you've learned something from this video, and if you think it will be useful to someone else, please do share it with them. This brings me to a question. How do we stay safe from viruses? What's the best way to defend ourselves? We'll look at that next. Till then, stay safe.